Ho, 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 Santa Van here. And man, do we have something special for you. We have Max modeling what is arguably one of the greatest motorcycle jackets ever in the history of motorcycle jackets, okay? When you've been in business for 18 years, you accumulate some things. Some of those things need to just be blown out. Like, we had some bad returns. Remember the old as fuck helmet sale?
Exactly.
Those motherfuckers are gone. We sold them all for $30 a piece. Bam!
We got some
out of here.
We got some Spiegler brake lines still for sale.
Yeah, that were just custom colors and returns. We blew those out of here too. They're great products. People got great deals on those, and we're really happy to do that. But then you stumble, right? You discover, you unearth, like, I felt like an archaeologist when I found this, and like it was the Ark of the Covenant. I unearthed it, and it's the power of the universe in the box.
Dude, sounds like Thanos, man.
But this is a jacket, right? This is a game-changing, life-changing jacket. This is the Icon Spastic women's mesh motorcycle jacket.
Or you can call it a men's motorcycle jacket, because I'm wearing.
I would call it, in today's world, it's a unisex jacket. Because we're all inclusive, 100%. We want everyone to be happy. And I think this jacket has the ability to take your level of happiness in your life and multiply it times 100. And I'm going to show you why right now. You're not going to believe the groundbreaking feature this jacket has. Groundbreaking. We're going to have this available on our website in the Vans garage sale section. Look for that. There is just some stuff in there that you need in your life. You probably already guessed what's happening here.
Sleeves are off.
Sun's out. Sun's out.
Guns out.
That's right. Look at this. You can even do it by yourself. You're so coordinated.
Yeah, no,
I'm proud of you.
I'm struggling. Want to finish that off for me?
Yeah. What's your dad? Fucking dad, help me with my race suit. So, let's talk about this for a second. You can't even get it over your little bracelet thing, which is maybe why you're wearing a women's motorcycle jacket right now that doesn't have any sleeves on it. You want to talk about a motorcycle jacket feature.
Yep, it comes with that too.
When you look at this jacket, and look at it right now, you ask yourself one question.
You're just mad that you're not wearing it. Why are you not
100%.
There's that.
Why do they put sleeves on any motorcycle jackets? Who needs a forearm?
I know, it's comfortable, it's breathable.
Yeah, I mean, you fall down, so you probably lose an arm.
Yeah, dude.
But you would only lose half of it because the upper is pretty much protected.
Or maybe you got another one. Or you can control your bike with maybe your right big toe.
It is the mother of all features. It should be on every single jacket. I don't know why it's not. I applaud Icon for their groundbreaking vintage technology. I have no idea how old this jacket is, but here's what I do know. We're going to offer it for sale. Let's benchmark sizing a little bit. Max Van is 5 feet 11 inches tall, 157 pounds
as of this morning.
As of this morning, with his 28-inch waist that nobody cares about. This is a size extra small. It is a women's jacket, full disclosure, but very clearly it's a unisex jacket.
Exactly. And I asked myself how I'm wearing an extra small women's jacket, but I guess I'm just built like something.
Like a woman.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Yep.
So, if you're interested in this or any other piece of moto history or just a great deal, Vans Moto Garage Sale is the category you need to be in.